Researchers using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope may have detected atmospheric gases surrounding 55 Cancri, a hot rocky exoplanet 41 light-years from Earth. This is the best evidence to date for the existence of any rocky planet atmosphere outside our solar system. 55 Cancri, also known as Janssen, is one of 5 known planets orbiting the Sun-like star 55 Cancri, in the constellation Cancer. With a diameter nearly twice that of Earth and density slightly greater, the planet is classified as a super-Earth. Larger than Earth, smaller than Neptune, and likely similar in composition to the rocky planets in our solar system. Infographic titled Super-Earth Exoplanet 55 Cancri Secondary Eclipse Light Curve, MIRI Low-Resolution Spectroscopy. At the top of the infographic is a diagram showing a planet moving behind its star, a secondary eclipse. Below the diagram is a graph showing the change in brightness of mid-infrared light emitted by the star-planet system over the course of about 4.5 hours. The diagram and graph are aligned vertically to show the relationship between the geometry of the star-planet system as the planet orbits, and the measurements on the graph. The infographic shows that the brightness of the system decreases as the planet moves behind the star. Discovered in 2004, this planet has a radius twice Earth's, and a mass 8 times greater, making it a so-called super-Earth. 55 Cancri E orbits its host star at a distance of 0.015 astronomical units, about 25 times closer than Mercury is to our Sun, every 18 hours. The planet is also tidally locked, meaning that it doesn't rotate like Earth does. Instead, there is a permanent day side and a night side. A thermal emission spectrum captured by Webb's near-infrared camera in November 2022, and mid-infrared instrument in March 2023. Shows the brightness, y-axis, of different wavelengths of infrared light, x-axis, emitted by the super-Earth exoplanet 55 Cancri E. The spectrum shows that the planet may be surrounded by an atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide and other volatiles, not just vaporized rock. While 55 Cancri E is far too hot to be habitable, the scientists think it could provide a unique window for studying interactions between the atmospheres, surfaces and interiors of rocky planets, and perhaps provide insights into the early Earth, Venus and Mars, which are thought to have been covered in magma oceans in the past. Researchers think they may have finally caught a glimpse of a volatile-rich atmosphere surrounding a rocky planet. Light emitted by the hot, highly irradiated exoplanet 55 Cancri E shows compelling evidence for an atmosphere, probably rich in carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, which may be bubbling from a vast ocean of lava covering the planet's surface. The findings were published in the journal Nature on May 8, 2024. This research was conducted as part of Webb's General Observers Program 1952. Analysis of additional secondary eclipse observations of 55 Cancri E are currently in progress.